क्लास फिफ्थ EVS, जिसमें साइंस और हिस्ट्री होती है। तो पहले साइंस पार्ट है, चैप्टर 1 इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी। The part of the brain that allows you to think, the cerebrum, the organ that extract of the waste of the blood are the kidney. The function of the lungs of the this to absorb oxygen of air. The production of the urea is the function of the kidney. The part of the control of the balance, the posture is the cerebellum. The upper troller, the upper part chamber part, the auricles. The tone be shaped the exact kidney. The liver produce digestive bile. The stomach churn extract the phase of the small intestine. The cerebellum is the largest part of the brain. True. The part of the brain of the control to having heartbeat, medulla oblongata. True. The lower chamber of the heart, the collector, the artery. False. Kidney are the organ, the extract of the material from the blood. True. The function of the lungs of the absorb of carbon dioxide and from the air. False. The liver is the smallest gland. The false. When you meet it, the throat, the intestine. False. Sneezing, blinking. The brain pump of the circulate. Come to the circulate, the heart, extract the waste, the kidney, absorb the oxygen from the air, lungs, the produce fluid juice, bile juice, the liver, force of smallest in time, the stomach. Chapter 2, care of body parts. How many sense organs in your body? 5. The eyes are sense organ. Vision, you should never read and write. Dim light and the proper light. Read and write, you should never. And the moving vehicle, eardrum is the part of the ear. Keep your nose clean. Eyes are very delicate organ. They take care of the eyes of the heart blows. The tongue of the mixed with food, saliva near food in the mouth, near wear tight clothes, harden hinder the blood circulation. The message is your jumps is the fingers combine to remove the dirt. Sticking hair, sweat comes out of the nose. False. Your eyes are the delicate organ. True. The skin protect against the bacteria. True. Pointed of the object of the remove earwax. False. Tongue is the organ of smell. False. Skin sense of touch, tongue sense of taste, nose sense of smell, ear sense of hearing, eye sense of vision. Chapter 3, food. The nutrients of the body, insulation, cold and help the vital organs, fat, vitamin is the type of the nutrition. There are the prevent deficiency disease, a good source of the vitamin C, citrus food, nutrient is the usable portion of the food. The two components of the food are the carbohydrate and vitamin. The carbohydrate is the major source of energy. Protein are the build and the repair body parts. Sodium and the calcium are two important mineral. Protein the major of the energy of body part. False. Spanish of the table salt mineral. True. The energy given food is true. Sources scurvy is the due to lack of vitamin C. True. Grapes are the more the vitamin. Banana carbohydrate, sugar and jaggery, fat and oil, nuts and vegetable oil, protein and the pulse. Protein pulses, vitamin C, lemon, minerals is the observable table salt. Chapter 4, deficiency disease. If you suffer with the swollen bleeding jumps, amla and lemon, rickets are the can you prevent child given the exposure to sunlight, night bandage, vitamin the carrot and spinach, crack the crocker of the mouth of the center of the vitamin B. Balanced diet is the necessary for remain healthy and strong. Disease of the lack of the nutrient deficiency disease, deficiency of vitamin A cause night bandage, spongy of the restaurant, the fruit deficiency of vitamin C, deficiency of iron, anemia, vitamin C, anemia, scurvy the lack of vitamin C. True. Carrot is the source of vitamin A. True. Iodine is the scurvy of the throat gland. True. Lack of the vitamin calcium of the soft brain easily. True. Night bandage cause of vitamin A. True. Night bandage vitamin A, scurvy vitamin C, anemia, iron, rocket, rickets, vitamin D, goiter, iodine. Chapter 5, communicable disease. What are microorganisms? Small living things which are seen with the help of the microscope. What is the microscope? An instrument that can make very small look thing very make very small things look big. What do germs live everywhere? What spread malaria, anopheles, mosquito, microbes that do essential form of life. When germs grow to multiply, they called an infection, dehydration, aviation from the normal function of the called disease. Drinking water is the neat and clean. Dehydration is the compositor, compensate the water minerals. All bacteria cause disease. False. Keep your dustbin covered. False. True. And the malaria is the cause of big rat. False. Disease like cholera is the virus. False. We should the prevent of the mosquito. True. Bacteria is the cholera, virus, influenza, protozoa, malaria, fungi, ringworm. Chapter 6, safety rules and first aid. First aid is emergency treatment in case of the keep of victim bleeding, keep of victim lying down. In case of the bleeding, then the tourniquet, fill in the blanks. First aid is the emergency medical treatment given the arrival area, which is keep of victim lying down. Never give down the medicine.